This video explains how to manage your human capital in BUPE. Under Human Capital, you can create units, titles and levels for your organization, add and manage employees, and their hierarchical positions in the organization. In the Preferences, you can select which year and which company you want to view. This is the Organizational Structure section. In the Units subsection, you will see that the topmost unit is always the selected company. To create new units in the company or under another unit in the company, right-click on a name and select the Add Units action. Then, enter the unit names and select unit types in the Create Units table. Click Save button to finalize. Newly created units will appear in the Units subsection. You can rename a unit by double-clicking on a unit name and by entering the new name. To move a unit into another unit, drag the unit and drop it in the desired location. Units with employees cannot be deleted. To delete a unit with no employees, right-click on the name and select the Delete Units action. To create new titles, select Create Titles action from the Actions menu. Then, enter the title names. Click Save button to finalize. Newly created titles will appear in the Titles subsection. You can rename a title by double-clicking on a title name and by entering the new name. Titles assigned to employees cannot be deleted. To delete a title that is not assigned to any employee, right-click on the name and select Delete Titles action. To create new levels, select Create Levels action from the Actions menu. You can create main levels by selecting None from Parent Level Name drop-down list. You can also create sub-levels by selecting the desired parent from the Parent Level Name drop-down list. Next, enter the level names. If you have defined salary ranges in your organization, you can set those under minimum and maximum columns. Otherwise, enter 0 for both. Click Save button to finalize. You can edit existing levels by selecting the View or Edit Levels action from the Actions menu. Make changes and click on the Save button to finalize. Renaming an existing level can be done by double-clicking on a level name and by entering the new name. To move a level into another level, drag the level and drop it in the desired location. Levels assigned to employees cannot be deleted. To delete a level that is not assigned to any employee, right-click on the name and select Delete Levels action. This is the Employees Master section. To add new employees, select Add Employees action from the Actions menu. Then, enter employee name, date of birth, gender, ID number, employee code, email address, unit, title, level, salary, and the year employee started employment. Click Save button to finalize. Newly created employees will appear on the Employee Master table. The table contains employees' basic information, employment status, and login information. To search for employee records, select the Search Employees action from the Actions menu. Then, select the search criteria and click Search button. You can make changes to employee details within the table itself. Changing the employee status to inactive will prevent the employee from accessing the system. To change the profile picture of an employee, click on the avatar icon in the Actions column, select the desired picture and click the Upload button. If an employee has forgotten their password, you can reset the password by clicking the Reset Password icon in the Actions column. Then provide them with the password shown on the table. You can delete an employee by clicking the Delete icon in the Actions column. This is the Employees Movements section. The table below contains units, titles and levels assigned to the employees, their salaries, and whether they are assigned as units heads or not. You can make changes within the table itself. To assign an employee as a unit head, tick the checkbox in the Unit Head column. To search for employee records, select the Search Employees action from the Actions menu. Then, select the search criteria and click Search button. If you are sharing an employee across multiple units in the company, you can fulfill this by selecting the Share Employees Between Units action from the Actions menu. Then, select the employee, the unit, title and level which need to be assigned to the employee, and the salary. Note that, for the employees shared across multiple units within one company, the same salary will be applicable. Click Save button to finalize. If you are sharing an employee across multiple companies, you can do this by selecting the Share Employees from Other Company action from the Actions menu. Then, select the company which you want to pick employees in the drop-down. Next, select the employee name, unit, title and level which need to be assigned to the employee in the new company, and the salary. Note that, for the employees shared across multiple companies, different salaries will be applicable. Click the Save button to finalize. If you have an employee shared between multiple units, within the same company or across multiple companies, you can remove those records by clicking the Delete icon in the table. In this video, we looked at how to manage your organizational structure and employees.